bukas, a-attend sila ng Easter egg hunting.
Yes.
And binook sila ni Ola.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zug! Dito kami ngayon sa Parking Valley. At nagpunta kami UP Town kasi alam nyo guys, si Mimi napapak siya ng lamok. Dami niyang kagat. To think, bumili pa kami nung yung nakakapatay ng lamok, yung nakakakuryente. But it's not really working. So, di ko alam. Okay, siguro dapat isoli natin yun,
That's what I was thinking yesterday, but
para kasing nakakahiya kung ako pa magsusoli, di ba? So, ang sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, ang advice nila, baka daw yung nakuha naming brand ay hindi naging maganda. So, talagang bibili kami ng branded. Ay, dito na kami sa True Value bibili. Tapos, bibili na rin ako ng mga humidifier, ganyan. Tapos, ang oil base ko is yung citronella. Kasi since, yun nga, mainit, madaming puno. Tapos, may mga open areas pa kasi sa amin. Baka ganun pumapasok yung lamok at ibang insekto. So, kailangan namin ng paraan. Mag-gym sana kami, pero hindi pa daw ready yung daily burn dahil medyo nagkaroon sila ng minor renovation and alikabok pa daw. So, maybe we will try again later in the afternoon. I think we can gym if we're going to Hilton later. Thanks.
we'll try him on it.
I'll try here.
We'll try guest pass.
Si Andy may naisip siyang paraan. Basta, hindi ko na lang kukwento. Kwento ko ba?
Okay.
Ang init ng kape. Dapat pala nag-ice coffee ako, daddy. Napawisan yung kilikili ko.
Oh, because you usually get hot coffee.
Walang tao pa dito sa sa valley. Dahil siguro konti pa lang yung pumapasok. Pa lang kasi ngayon mga Zubs Black Saturday pa lang. And yun nga.
Parang isang
tao lang yung nakita ko kumuha pa ng kotse. Okay lang naman. I'm still vlogging and still talking to all of you. So yun, bibili ako ng air humidifier. Tsaka yung
But we should try the gym muna.
check natin.
Kasi syempre we're gonna have all that stuff. We can't drag it to the gym if we get in.
Hindi, tingin muna tayo. Tapos we'll buy it later. Inis talaga ako doon sa binili natin. 4 pa naman yun. Maybe we use it outside. Baka sa outside pwede yun.
Baka peke. Feeling ko peke.
Kasi hindi sila attracted dun sa blue light Baka kulang yung
Pero
blue
meron.
light.
I saw it kanina, check.
Oo,
Pero
narinig
wala
ko din.
masyado. Ang dami.
Ang daming lumilipad, di ba?
Pero di ba we were staying at Eric's place? Ang dami din.
Ang dami pero
When we're
tunog ng
sleeping.
tunog.
Ang daming lamok.
Ayun na.
Si
Ayun
Kuis.
guys, update namin kayo kung anong mabibili namin. Citronella.
I wasted all my time.
Hi mga Zoops! Mimi's here na.
And we're going to the Hilton.
We're going to Hilton Hotel ngayon kasi mga Zoops. Bukas, a-attend sila ng Easter egg hunting.
Yes.
And binook sila ni Ola.
Yeah, and I got so much.
Wala pa nga You will get so
yesterday
much.
in Australia.
Oo, kasi sa Australia na naaalala ni Mimi that she got a lot of Easter egg.
Yes.
Yes. So now, you think you'll get more?
Yes.
Okay. Punta kami doon ngayon. And baka doon kami magstay for the few days. Kasi guys, yung stairs namin, kailangan nilang lagyan ng something. And dapat mga 12 hours walang tumatapak.
Are we going
So,
to
naisip
school
ko,
today?
i-extend na lang namin yung stay namin Sunday to Monday. Kasi Monday pa gagawa yung mga workers. Ay, natanggal. Hold this. Like that. Hold it, ha?
Can I do the camera?
Yeah. Oh, galing ni Mami. Yan, kanina pa nag-aantay si Ola. Hindi ko lang na-i-vlog, kaya ang tagal namin mga zoobs kasi inantay namin yung delivery ng IKEA. We got a cabinet for Coco's bedroom.
Yeah, and I slept in I didn't sleep
So,
in my bed.
inantay pa naming ma-install
I slept in
siya.
my bedroom.
Ay! Grabe! Bago tayo umalis, muntik na namin mabangga yung isang tricycle.
Bangga.
Isang motor. Medyo mali siya doon. Kakainis. So, ayan. Medyo traffic na dito sa kabilang side. Siguro nagsa-start na rin magsiuwian yung mga tao. Hopefully, going to Hilton from here is not traffic. Ming Ming.
This is condo.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride.
Alright, so we're off to our room, guys. Where are we at, Mimi? Oi, that's our old room.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Mimi remembers actually all the numbers. Yeah, this is the room Sam stayed in. Ito.
Dito ba tayo? 43?
Yeah.
Oh, Mims, you wanna open it?
This is where our sister stayed. Oh, my sister pala. And our stuff is already here. So we just got a small room for a couple nights. Let me go.
Yeah, so cool.
Can you remember this room?
Yeah.
Tita Sammy's room last time. So we just got 2 queen beds. And then got our bathroom.
Together, maybe?
It's set up differently. I actually didn't even notice it before last time. And then we have a fridge.
Yeah.
Napagad yung fridge.
Alam niya eh. Tapos yung view is... Let's check. So I forgot. It's on this side. So similar view to what we've had before. Sleep na, babe.
This is a thing.
We had so much buffet food. It is the same, babe.
The same.
Because this is the last
And this is the same. Oh my gosh.
Don't look a bed.
This is the.
Actually, we haven't stayed in a room of this size in the Hilton for quite a while now. But this is good enough for like just a few days.
I'm gonna jump.
Here we go.
Oi! Mims, don't do that, please.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching as always, and we do hope that you can comment and make sure you like and share, and comment where you're watching from also, because it's always nice to know where people are watching from. We really appreciate it. Thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow.